I'm at the OC Fair, which is one of the biggest fair in OC. I'm with my daughter and her mom before her school begins. Please watch till the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Oh, tadi kalagi section desha. Tuwa shush tungu tuwa sida. Oh wow, a lot of gas coming out. You can see here. दूसरे kalagi.
I mean smoke is coming out.
Shush tu. And दूसरे ande gaal de. Gilling right. We are trying to take this one in a minute, few minutes. Hola so. Look at the OC Fair. Oh, दूसरे शुए. The barbecue to watch shoot in the show. Oh yeah. Barbecue, right? Chicken? Huh? Oh, beef. Oh, okay. See that there. OC Fair gita yuna benarta di attraction. Beef, yeah, beef barbecue and the sausage. There's a chicken. Whole air is coming out. All this smoke is coming out. Sorry, rather. Okay. And those resha. Oh, lasso. And the shalachungi. Agda resha. All right, a lot of people eating food. There's a drink, you have lemonade, pineapple. What is the green one? Cucumber. Oh, okay. And the white one? Chate. Mochate. All right. Oh, that's the barbecue. See that? Go enjoy some. Mage. Asham. Asham ngogyo. Oh, those Russia, that the Mexico ki Russia, Mangche. Tagda Russia, oh la so shinda. No, I think they stopped intentionally. Just to, yeah. I think this is more scary than the, remember the last one we took, LA? Huh? LA Fair. We went same like this, Gilly, one time. LA Fair, Los Angeles Fair. The cheese of Panisu, yeah, we do that. Huh? Oh, that was the fair dinner, Risha. Da Gilinga ne par gege da Gilinga ne par gege and wala see the me August 13, 2022 OC Fair. It's the last day of the fair, I believe. We are here having fun with my daughter because she's gonna go back to school Monday. And this is the view. Oh, the Neresha. Good Sheva. And you don't de Orange County, you don't re. See that. And a good shit. Yeah, that is very scary. Yeah, that is very scary. Yeah, I think it's very scary. Oh, the pagi di shena shoe do da pagi da. That in namli ya phir ki doa. And ma phap di gal shena ye di ro. And nam ki dus di doa. Yeah, this is very scary ride. It's scary ride, right? Yeah. A lot of kids they want to do this adrenaline rush. Yeah.